This is our public input portion of our meeting. I'd like to remind everyone there's a 1 3-minute limit per speaker. Is there anyone who'd like to address the board?
Okay, I will go first.
Give your name, please.
Late last year, Mr. Dzinski told us he and the board would entertain any ideas to save money. Here's my idea again. I have foiled several documents that have been generated electronically and asked that they be emailed to me. I was willing to accept the documents on a floppy disk, a CD, or a flash drive. Let's look at my request for fourth quarter 2007 planning board minutes to be delivered electronically and the savings if my request was filled. Let us assume that the documents I requested total 50 pages. At 25 cents a page, it will cost me $12.50. Since a round trip to the town hall will be necessary, mileage, if I were reimbursed, would be $3.11. I have not factored in the cost of the environment because of the increase in my carbon footprint. The cost of the town is a salary paid to an employee to remove the pages from a book, run them through a copier, and put them back in the proper place, as well as 25 to 50 sheets of paper and the cost of printing, which is offset by the fee I am charged. Now a receipt has to be generated. That takes a few moments and at least 1 sheet of paper. Then there is the time spent greeting me. Now I have 50 sheets of paper to contend with instead of a few computer files. Last Wednesday I was told that the minutes are currently on a computer in the town hall, but that the person who originally generates these documents does not have email, so could not email them to me. I suggested she send them to another person across the network and ask that person to email them. I also suggested putting them on a floppy disk or flash drive. 2 days later, I was told that the town does not yet have the capability of delivering documents electronically. Yet, a few hours later, I was sent an electronic document from the town clerk's office. On 3 other occasions, I have asked for electronic documents and was able to obtain them from 3 different people. On another occasion, I was given access to a document electronically without asking for it in this manner. At that time, I was happy to have these people comply with the 2006 amendment to the Freedom of Information Law, which allowed that, quote, if an agency has the ability to receive requests for records from the public and transmit records by means of email, it will be required to do so, end quote. Also, according to at least 2 opinions issued by Robert Freeman, Executive Director of the Committee on Open Government, if a document is generated electronically, it must be given to the requester in electronic format if desired. To state that the town does not have the capability at this time to fill FOIL requests electronically is an affront to the employees and officials of the town who routinely use email to send and receive documents. So, let's save the town, the taxpayer, and me time and money and comply with the Freedom of Information Law. Please don't make us wait any longer, even if it's a month. Thank you.
Is there anyone else who'd like to address the board?
Under 3
Give your name,
minutes.
please.